the maple syruping weekend has become quite a tradition. All these great big trees and nice high shade. We spend a lot of time out here. I have 2 maple trees that I tap. I put 2 taps in each tree. Generally, I'll get 30 to 40 gallons of sap from those 2 trees. Today's the day when I'm ready to start boiling it down. So the first thing you want to do is kind of watch the temperatures in late February or so and tap your trees. The sap will begin flowing when the nights are still below freezing and the daytime temperatures are above freezing. You typically want large, shallow pans because evaporation is the key. I use roasting pans, uncovered. You want a rapid boil, and so you're just always tweaking the fire to make sure you maintain that boil. And what I do is I boil it until it's starting to get close to the syrup point, and then I bring it in the house and I finish it on the stove top. Right now I'm boiling down, finishing off the sap here, and the goal is to reach 219 degrees. And I have my candy thermometer here to measure that. That is the syrup point. When you reach 219, you have syrup. Skim that foam away. Once the syrup is finished, I pour it into glass jars and I store them in the refrigerator. If I'm a little tight on space in the fridge, I will then pour the syrup into plastic containers and freeze it because it will mold. It's really great for the kids. My daughter and her friends, when they were younger, would come and watch, and we would take samples of the sap throughout the course of the day, maybe every 2 hours or so, pour it in a glass, and they could taste it and sample how it was coming along, and they really enjoyed that. And for that matter, they love drinking it right out of the tree. One thing that's so cool about backyard maple syrup is that anybody can do it if you have a tree. You just need 1 tree and you can make syrup. It's that easy.